everyone, or good afternoon, wherever you're joining, because I've heard some voices, not local. We're very excited to have you on board. Today promises to be exciting. As you know, cloud computing is one of the highly sought skills right now in the market. And a lot of people are kind of woke to that. And no other person. This is something he's been preaching. I met Seyi. First time I met him was 2017. This is something he's been preaching since, not today. So tech is fast evolving. Back in the days is when we have on-prem. Yes, in the premises, a massive server room, everything is in the cloud now. And it's important that you latch onto that experience. My name is Mercy Jodibafe. I'm the founder of LEARNTOR. And every week, every Thursday, we have a meetup. And the goal is to democratize learning, to make information accessible to you, and you can be able to decide, where do I navigate? So we have two types of meetup, on the Agile and on the cloud and data analytics. And today, no other person can do justice but that. I'm going to call on Etiosa, and I won't take credit. I want to appreciate the phenomenal team that puts these things together week in and week out. I appreciate, as much as they keep saying Mercy, it's been a great learning experience, but it's been amazing to see them do what they do. It's inspirational. So over to you, Etiosa. Thank you so much. And to the entire team that coordinates this. I appreciate you all. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Let me share my screen.
Go ahead. Are you ready?
I am ready. Please confirm you can see my screen. Let me put this on slide.
Yes, sure.
Okay, welcome to Nigerian Business Intelligence Community. Our topic today is introduction into Microsoft Azure. Quickly, our meetup goals, as you can see them here, are putting participants on global awareness. And the last one is to aid locals find international jobs to validate their data analytics skill. Our meeting etiquette, introduction, 5 minutes, we have already done. Meeting etiquette, 2 minutes. The training will take place for about 45 minutes. Then the remaining 15 minutes we'll use to do question and answer. So it's about a 1 hour session. Meeting etiquette, please mute yourself if you're not speaking. Leverage on the hand raising icon. If you want to ask a question, then we'll allow you to unmute yourself. And everyone's opinion is valid and welcome. So we expect everybody to respect one another and be considerate of others. Quickly, our host is Mercy Jodibafe, an educator, an agile data enthusiast, a digital marketing professional, a Scrum Master, and a data analyst. She's also a Microsoft certified trainer, which she has about 20+ years experience in the IT and digital technology space. She's a wife, grandmother with 6 adorable ladies. And finally, her goal is to bridge digital skills gap for Nigerian youth and women whilst opening the job market for them. Our second co-host is Etiosa Odia. Etiosa Odia is certified professional Scrum Master, Microsoft certified data analyst, and Microsoft certified trainer. He's also a business analyst with experience with Python, Jira, and the rest of them, as you can see. He holds a bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering. Our next co-host is Maxwell, who is also a data analyst and a professional Scrum Master. He's also in the IT space and has been there for the last 5 years, and is also a Microsoft certified trainer. Our last co-host is Adebayo, who has a master's degree in business analysis and applied geophysics. He is a certified Scrum Master and a certified product owner with special expertise in project management, design thinking, and agile Kanban. Finally, we get to our trainer for the day. Our trainer for the day is OluwaSeyi Oluwawumiju. He is a consultant at Covenant Technologies. He's an MVP. He's the MCT regional head for Nigeria. Seyi is an independent consultant helping companies in their digital transformation journey in view of involving the market for IT Africa. Suffice to say that he has championed the cause for Microsoft Azure and AI technology. And in response to that, he is one of the leading community leaders in the Microsoft Azure space. You can also see his LinkedIn profile and his Twitter handle. At this point, I'll stop sharing my screen, and I will hand over to Mr. Oluwaseyi to take us in the topic, Introduction into Microsoft Azure. Over to you, sir.
While Seyi is doing that, I would like to know where you're joining us from. Please just pop in your name in the chat and tell us where you're joining us from. Thank you so much. My Oga at the top, Mr. Seyi.
Yeah, thank you very much. It's a great honor to be here, and I hope that I'll be able to meet up with all these expectations that I have. Can you see my screen? Can you see my screen?
We can see
yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Very clear.
Okay. And I do have 45 minutes to make justice to this. I'll be very, very brief, very fast, and I pray and I hope we can get onboarded in understanding what the cloud technology is. So in a way of introduction, which is already done for me, I'll just flip through it. My name is OluwaSeyi Oluwawumiju. I'm currently an MVP on Office and App. I'm also a certified trainer. I'm a regional lead for Nigeria, and also I'm a consultant. I author books and also speak in international events. And that's my LinkedIn, which was already displayed earlier. You can follow me at X Oluwawumiju. Now, today, what are we looking at? Now, cloud generally, people has called it a mix. That means that we're looking at the atmosphere. So maybe when it first came up, had various ways they look at cloud technology. But today we're going to look at how cloud technology is and what it is generally. In looking at one, how digital transformation are brought about this. Now, why cloud? Why is everybody clamoring for cloud in this time? What is cloud itself? Then we're going to look at several service models that we have in cloud technology, and also cloud model itself. Then the core of what we're going to talk about are focused on the cloud servicing provider we're going to look at, which is Azure from Microsoft.